in the world is all this blue stuff? Zart! What did you do? Why would you cut open the blue elf? He didn't do anything to you. There's so much glitter. Is this crystals inside? I can't believe it. Oh, we need to put it all back in you. All back inside of you. I cannot believe that Zart did this. This is so terrible. Okay, we're gonna have to put you back together. I'm gonna put some cinnamon here, and later I'm going to make sure all the glitter and all these sparkly gems get back inside of you. Can you believe this is what's inside this elf? Oh, I feel so bad. Okay, so I have the cinnamon. Let's put some over here. Your legs. Oh no. Oh no. This is so sad. Okay, I'm gonna have to repair you back up, send you to the North Pole, and hopefully you'll arrive better. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Even if sometimes the elf off the shelf is a little bit mean. Poor elves. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy. The cinnamon worked. Oh, the blue elf on the shelf is all better now. He absorbed all the vitamins, went back to the North Pole, and came back refreshed. If you love this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.